Hi, I'm reviewing this Avatar Icicle lights. This is 32.8 feet of lighting and it comes very small. These lights are extremely well made and they are waterproof 100%, giving you that long-lasting Christmas light that you're looking for. These Christmas lights are great because they have 39 multicolor lights and it's got 260 color variation. You can adapt your lights, sync them in with music if you choose to. So here I'm going to show you what comes in the box. So inside the box we have a remote control. This remote control is going to be able to operate your lights and then be able to set it up to whatever timer that you want for 4 hours, 8 hours. You can dim the lights, you can vary the colors. And if you sync it in with the music, you can just go ahead and turn them on and they automatically will turn on every day around the same time. So these are the lights, extremely small, that you can see. Once I untangle them, you will have 32 feet of lighting. And here's where your remote control would be. This is your water seal plug. So once you plug this in, it all is going to take care of itself. Very neat. And the other thing that we have in this box is instructions on how to use it. And then you can take a picture of the QRS on your phone, which I'm going to show you that. And you can pop out the system and then you can play with the lights to get whatever it is that you want. So if it's Christmas time or maybe Halloween, or you know, if you just want like an ice over your home. So I'm going to be installing these lights and showing you how well they look and how they work. Getting ready to put them on. All right, the lights are installed in my house. You can see I have red and white. They're moving around. This app that comes with the lights is pretty simple to use. It just works off Bluetooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them off. Turn them back on. This app comes with a timer. So my timer is set from 6 till midnight, my lights will go on, and I can always change the speed and the color on the lights just by moving my tablet. You can see that there's some pre-selected lights that you can choose from. It's the one I want, and I want to slow down just a little bit. There we go. Overall, the installation was pretty easy. Following the app was extremely easy, and I'm extremely excited and keeping these lights and showing my Christmas spirit. I recommend this item. Thank you for watching.